Thirikari ya kaunti ya Makueni nĩ ĩrũgamĩtie biacara ya wenji wa mũthanga rũũĩ-inĩ rwa Kaiti. Aikari a matũũra marĩa marigicĩirie maugĩte wenji wa mũthanga nĩ ũcũngagĩrĩria haraya harĩ gũthũka kwa marĩa matũrigicĩirie na kũnyihia maĩ rũũĩ-inĩ rũrũ. Minista wa marĩa matũrigicĩirie kaunti-inĩ ya Makueni Sonia Nzilani augĩte wenji wa mũthanga ũrũgamĩtio nginyagia rĩrĩa kaunti ĩkagathĩka mawatho hamwe na mĩtaratara ya kũrũmĩrĩrwo.
Wakulima mayuthi wakulima tunahangaika sana, hakuna maji, ng'ombe zetu hazina maji pa kukunywa, hatuna maji hata ya kulima.
Lori zinakuja hapa na tingatinga zinapepa changarawe na watu hapa hawalimi na maji. Tumetumia muda wetu mwingi for last 7 years. Tumekuwa tukicomplain mambo ya hii changarawe. Na sisi tumefunga kuanzia leo. Hakuna changarawe itapebwa hapa vile.
Tumekataa ubebaji wa changarawe up until tujengewe sand dams.
There is this term, the climate change. This sand harvesting, they are not considering the climate change issue. So they are just harvesting until they go up to they get the stones.
But we want to review our regulations to include, to see how we can recognize the locals, because this sand comes from their farms. They are the one who protect it, and they are the one who should have the first benefit. Nevertheless, the county has programs and projects whereby they give back to the community. In case of any conflict like this one in Kilala, which happened today, we hereby stop any form of sand harvesting in Kilala areas.